In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect Outlook to N8N and start automating your email tasks. First, open N8N and head to the Credentials section in the left sidebar. Click Create New and select Microsoft Outlook from the list. Next, choose your authentication method. For most users, OAuth 2 is recommended. It's secure and works well with Microsoft 365. If you only need basic email operations, IMAP/SMTP is a simpler alternative. Follow the prompts to authorize N8N and grant the necessary permissions to access your Outlook account. Finally, save your credentials. This securely stores your connection in N8N, letting you start automating tasks right away. And that's it. Outlook is now connected to N8N, ready to streamline your workflows and boost productivity.